With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question here is growth in the first 10 to 13 years of age is controlled by, and the options are somatotropic hormone, thyroxine, thymosin, or gonadotropic hormone. So the first 10 to 13 years of age, this can be called as the period of puberty, right? And generally somatotropic hormone, which is also called as the growth hormone, this is responsible for the overall growth and development of the body, right? But when we talk about puberty in particular, thymosin is the hormone which controls the release of growth hormone from the pituitary gland. Now this thymosin hormone, it is released from the thymus gland, right? And it controls the release of growth hormone or the GH during the puberty. Now the feature of this is that thymus gland, it is active only during the age of puberty. After that it just gets converted into a mass of fat. So it is active at puberty and it contributes to the development of immune system in the body. It boosts the immunity and it also affects the growth of the overall body. So this thymosin, which is released from the thymus gland, it controls the release of growth hormone from the pituitary gland, and this growth hormone then controls the overall growth and development of the body. So the right answer here is option C, that is thymosin. If we consider other options, the role of growth hormone we have already discussed, but this is in turn controlled by this, so this is wrong. Thyroxine is released by the thyroid gland and it controls the metabolism of the body. So this option is also incorrect for this question. Last is gonadotropic hormone. These hormones are going to act on the gonads and they are going to help in the development of the reproductive organs and reproductive features in the body. So this option is also incorrect for this question. The right answer is option C, thymosin.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.